Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, we're going to be doing a subtle soft beat with a little bit of pink. Okay, so right here I'm using my eyebrow pencil by LA Girl in the color dark brown. So I'm just using small strokes to mimic her natural brows to make them fuller and more defined. The key to this is to use a light hand, because the harder you press, the darker your brows. Now I'm going in with a concealer to define her brows more underneath. I'm going 2 shades lighter than her skin tone. I don't typically do the top of brows. I normally just do the underbrows, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm using the P. Louise base in shade number 2 to prepare her for her eyeshadow. Now for the eyes, I went underneath her eyebrows with a yellow toned eyeshadow to go right under the brow bone. Right now I'm taking a brown eyeshadow, which is the color Saddle by MAC. You can use any brown eyeshadow to go in her inner tear duct and her outer corners. I'm just blending it back and forth, windshield wiper motions, back and forth until it's to my desire. Now after that, I'm going in with a iridescent eyeshadow. On camera, for some reason, it comes off a little pale and white, like I missed a spot, but I promise you I didn't. It's very, very shimmery without the glitter. Okay, so now we're finally on skin. I already prepped and primed her face. I'm gonna leave everything down below. But this here is the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation in the color, I think it's Cadiz. I'm gonna leave it below too. Yeah, this is one of my favorite parts, is skin. I like your skin to look natural and still healthy, glowy. I'm not really heavy on the foundation, just evening out your skin tone. Right now I'm mixing another foundation on the darker points of her face, which is her jawline, chin, and temples. The first concealer I'm using is just to cover a little bit of darkness. It's only about a shade lighter than her foundation. And then the next concealer I'm going to go in is going to brighten her up. I'm using it on the middle parts of her face, which is her under eyes, chin, nose, and forehead. Okay guys, so right now I'm contouring her nose. I'm gonna be as transparent as possible. I am not the best person to contour. I'm still learning as I go, but right now I'm using a darker foundation to contour her nose. I'm blending out the sides. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use the same concealer I use under her brows to do the highest point of her nose, the bridge, and blend it on out. I wanted her to be a little bit more bronzy, so I went and used a shade darker than her nose contour and bronzed her up on her cheeks and her forehead. Just pressing it lightly into her skin. I'm not baking today. I'm just going to press it in and smooth it out. Skin Finish by MAC in Dark Deepest to bronze up her face a little bit more. I got this little wand from Ulta. I'm going to link it below. This was my first time using it and it really helps. So I left all my highlighters at home, so I had to improvise. This is actually an eyeshadow from the Juvia's Place palette. I will link that below as well. Okay guys, everything else was pretty much done off camera. The only thing I did was pop on some lashes, add a lip liner, and 2 lip glosses. I really like this look. It was soft, it was subtle, it's really girly, it's pretty, it's cute, it's really simple. Yes, her lash glue is still drying, but everything came together. We were really on a time crunch in this video. I didn't get to record every single part, but let me know if you guys like the videos like this. Leave it in the comments below. We did this look in less than an hour. I really like it. I hope you guys love it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.